Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see MySQL and or and not operator. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. So the where clause can be combined with and or and not operator. So first of all we are going to see what is AND operator, then we will see what is OR operator, and then we will see what is not operator. So AND operator are used to filter out the record based on more than one condition. So in where clause we generally put conditions to filter the records. So suppose if you want to put the multiple condition and you want to filter the records based on the multiple condition, at that time AND operator will be used. The AND operator display a record if the conditions separated by AND are true. Suppose you have put two conditions and the query will filter the data if and only if both the conditions are true. Suppose you want the records where age is greater than 30 and income should be greater than 500. So suppose first of all it will take the age is greater than 30, so it will check it will filter out the record based on age is greater than 30. So 31 will be selected, 35 will be selected, 38 will be selected, 44 will be selected, and 38 will be selected. Then it will check for the second condition, that is income should be greater than 500. So in age the second record will be neglected as age is 26 only. We are filtering the based on age is greater than 30. Now it will check for the income is greater than 500. So 365 will not be selected, 400 is already deselected in age condition, 50 also will not be selected, 500 is not greater than 500. We are checking income greater than 500, so it will also deselect, it will also not selected. 800 will be selected and 150 will not be selected. So our output will be Sachin Tendulkar 44 Mumbai and 800, because it will clear both the conditions, that age is greater than 30 and income is greater than 500. So if both the conditions are true, then only AND conditions will filter the data. So in AND operator, if both the conditions are true, then only it will filter the records. So we will understand with the help of one example, where the same example I will take where age is greater than 30 and income should be greater than 500. So when I edit inline, so this will be our query. Select star from LFC where age is greater than 30 and income is greater than 500. So first of all it will check where age is greater than 30 and filter out the records, and after that it will check the condition. Okay, it is an AND condition, means both the conditions should be true, then only it will filter the record. So then it will check for income should be greater than 500, then based on both the conditions the data will be filtered. So when I go with this query, as I already told you that there will be only one record will be selected, that is fifth record, that is Sachin Tendulkar, because this is the only record which clears the criteria of both the condition, that age should be greater than 30 and income should be greater than 500. So in this way AND operator will work in MySQL. So I will go back to this, select star from LFC. So now we will check what is OR operator. So the OR operator display a record if and only if one of the condition is true. So suppose we have taken age is greater than 35 and income should be greater than 500. So our first condition will be age is greater than 35. So it will check for the first record, it will not select this record, second record also will not be selected, third record will also be not selected, and fourth and fifth and sixth record will be selected, and it will filter out the record that age is greater than 35. Now it will check where income is greater than 500. So income is greater than 500 is over here only, so it will print fourth, fifth and sixth record. If any one of the condition is true, it will filter out the records. So we will understand with the help of the same example. We will put, so select star from LFC where age is greater than 35 or income is greater than 500. So if any one condition is true, then it will filter out the record. So when we go with this query, you can see fourth, fifth and sixth. As you can see, age is greater than 35 and income is greater than 500. So This record is selected because the age is greater than 35. It is not selected based on the income. While this record also selected based on the age criteria, not based on the income. And the fifth record is selected because age is greater than 35 and income is also greater than 500. So if any one condition is true, it will filter out the record. So or operator work when if and only if any one condition is true. Now the not operator. The not operator display the record if the condition is not true. Suppose you say if income is greater than 100 and you have put the not operator, so then it will select the income which is less than 100. So condition becomes vice versa when you put not operator. So in the same, if you have put the age is greater than 30 and you have put the not operator before that, then it will select the age. It will filter out the record where age is less than 30. So it is just a vice versa of the condition that you have put. So we will explain with this not operator with the help of one two example where I will put select star from LFC. So where not age is greater than 30, so it will just give a reverse to the condition. So where age is greater than 30, it will select the records. It will filter out the records where age is less than 30. So not operator is used just to reverse the condition. Where condition, it is used to just reverse the where condition. So it will select 31 will not be selected, 26 will be selected, 35 will not be selected, 38 will not be selected, 44 will not be selected, and 38 will be not selected. So only second record will be selected because it will just reverse the condition, and age is less than 30 is only with the second record. So when I go with this query, you can see only the second record selected, while we have put age is greater than 30, but it will search for the age is less than 30 because we have put not operator. In a similar way, I have put one more example that income is greater than 100. So as you know, it will search for the it will filter out the records where income is less than 100. So only third record will be selected as we have put not prior to the condition. So when we go with this query, you can see only one, that is it will just reverse condition. It will not search for greater than, it will search for the less than. So 50 income will be selected and filter out, and the output of the query will be the 3 KL Rahul, 35 Mangalore, and 50. So in this way, AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator work in MySQL. This is just a basic idea. You can also apply such examples in your localhost phpMyAdmin and try. You can understand with the help of practice only. Try to do practice in your localhost phpMyAdmin. This video is just a basic regarding AND, OR, and NOT operator. So if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn MySQL. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.